What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Trey the Trader here, and today was another spectacular day. $7.5 thousand. Let's get right into it. So, I'm gonna break down exactly how I got into the trade, and again, pretty simple. All we do, we are trend traders. So I am following the trend because the trend is your friend. Remember that. All right. So here on the US dollar Japanese yen, we are on the 15-minute chart, and this is the chart that I was trading off of. As you can see, this trend was in an uptrend until it broke below this low here. When it did break below this low, we created a lower high at this area here and continued down for lower lows. Once that happened, I understood that we were headed down, at least for the time period that we were analyzing this chart, and I wanted to follow the trend, so I got in for a sell. I took the sell initially around this area here. I took two sells for 10 lots and took it down to the new low. Once the market made a low down here, I got out of the market and we had our $7,500 day. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, pretty simple. It was a really great day today, and we look forward to the next one. Let's get it. I'll see you guys in the next video.